Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to do a little substitution here. We're going to place some arbitrary character, identify that particular character, find its position. How are we going to do that? Look here. We just have some numbers. We have dimensions, 205 by 75 by 50. Our objective here is to replace the second X with a tilde sign. You can put whatever you want. Here's the layout. Remove X. Which one? Number 2. Here's the output. Substitute, find. Well, we're going to do one at a time. We're going to go right to left. We're going to go substitute. Remember, substitute has 4 arguments. 3 required, 1 optional. Here, we're going to use all 4. Why? Because the 4th argument tells us where to replace whatever we're trying to substitute. We have text. We have text. We have text B5, which is our dimensions. We have old text. Well, it's X. We could point to here, but let's just hard code it. We're going to replace it with new text. Where? We have this instance. Optional, but it says D5, 2. All we're doing is replacing this. If we go here, I don't know what that will be. F9. Notice this is the output, 20 times 75. Notice we replace that X with this tilde. And our requirement here is find the tilde, and it's position 7. If you go in here, you count, you're going to see our output. We go substitute 9. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to include the tilde, and that's position 7. Here, we're doing the same thing, bacon and eggs. We want to replace the second and with what? A tilde. And notice we did not use the find. All we did was substitute this and with the tilde. And if you go up, all we're doing is adding the find to get this position. Read it if you need it. Practice, tear it apart if you need to. We have this simple anatomy, and then we just show the substitute. And our second example just shows the substitute. Work through it if you need to. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.